Yeah, that's what I thought.
Are you high right now?
Are you high right now?
You smell like marijuana.
Do I? I don't smoke, clown. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's coming off of that turtleneck. Is that turtleneck too tight, restricting airflow to your brain? Is that what's going on?
Okay.
So you need to
answer yours, right?
Yes, you need to answer my questions because I pay you and I did nothing wrong.
No, you don't pay
and
me.
you're here for me. I don't pay you?
No, you don't.
Are you a clown?
Well, do I look like a clown?
No, but you sound like a clown.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys, welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. We have an educational and a refreshing video for you guys that you're absolutely going to love. This video comes to you from a channel called VoN DooM, kind of a newer channel. Seems like every community in every city, every county, every state has public officials who think they can do what they want, tell the people what to do, but that's not how it works, folks. Why is it that government employees have this God complex? We the people have to put the God slap on them, make them snap out of it. You heard what this public official just said? The people don't pay for his salary, the government does. That's where they're wrong, because if that were so, we the people wouldn't pay taxes. Or maybe these government employees don't want us to pay taxes. Maybe they want us all to stop. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. We're going to watch this video. We're going to be pausing for some comments. I'll be giving you my final thoughts at the end of the video. Make sure you guys go subscribe to VoN DooM's channel. He's got some good videos over there. Without further ado, let's get right to it, folks.
On my recording.
Pardon me?
I didn't want my name on my
Are
recording.
you recording something
Yes.
right now?
Yes.
I'm not. Please turn that off.
You
I'm
work for
gonna
the
ask
you work for the public, right?
I work for the lieutenant governor.
Who pays the lieutenant governor? The public?
Yes,
Tax
they
dollars?
do.
Yeah. So,
I'm not going to talk why
well,
that's.
nobody's ever comfortable talking on video, but you know, I need all this video evidence for future court litigation.
The lieutenant governor cannot help you with your court. I would suggest that you contact the attorney general.
I'm not talking about my court. I can handle my court. I'm talking about all the corruption.
I can't help you with that.
Can the lieutenant governor help with the corruption?
What corruption is going on?
Let's see, the prosecutor's office and treason, right? Incompetent.
The prosecutor's office? The
Yes.
attorney general's office?
The prosecutor for the courts, CJC building,
I don't think I can.
the Marion
help you
County
with that.
prosecutor's office.
That would be Marion County.
Well, I mean, we got federal problems too. U.S. Marshals,
I'm gonna
Federal
ask you
Protective
to please
Services,
step out.
U.S. District Court. I mean, we're talking about corruption here.
Alex, can you please contact security and have them escorted out?
Escort me out because
Welcome to.
escort me out because I'm trying to get justice for all this unlawfulness that I've been through. It's funny, ain't it? You deserve to be on the payroll, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
We need to take you off the payroll.
In this sun-soaked, dust-ridden town, where the skies seemed to mock the amid streets with its boundless blue, there existed a breed of public officials who wore their titles like tarnished badges of dishonor. These servants, fueled by a cocktail of apathy and greed, strutted through the corridors of power like grotesque caricatures of justice, slithered through the promises of lies with equal ease. Her words were as hollow as the derelict buildings that freckle this town. Yet they carried the weight of law. Under her reign, the streets, once brimming with hope, now lay choked with the despair of those whose rights she tramples on daily.
You don't laugh at the public when the public has been through terroristic activities brought on by the people that we pay to protect us.
You'd like
What is
to
wrong
step
with you?
out here?
Are you out of your mind? I'd like to set up an appointment with the lieutenant governor.
You are more than welcome to call to set up an appointment.
Well, I mean, I thought he was getting somebody to set me up an appointment. I don't want to do it online. I'm doing it in person. That's why I'm videoing. So I've got video proof. Are you the one that was laughing and wouldn't answer my calls anymore?
Sir, no.
Somebody in this office was laughing and wouldn't answer my calls anymore. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Are you high right now?
Are you high right now?
You smell like marijuana.
Do I? I don't smoke marijuana, clown. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's coming off of that turtleneck. Is that turtleneck too tight, restricting airflow to your brain? Is that what's going on? Maybe you should get somebody to assist you with removing that turtleneck. It may be too tight. If you start to fall over, I'll try my best to catch you.
Sir, we can't help you. Sorry.
I'm not asking you for help. Did I talk to you?
I'm telling
What's
you.
your name?
That doesn't matter.
What's your name?
That doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter that's your name?
No.
Is that all your parents could think of?
Sure. That's what makes you feel better.
It must make you feel better because you don't want to identify yourself. I identified
I don't have
myself.
to.
You do have to. You work for the public.
I don't have to identify myself.
You work for the public.
You're correct.
Can I do a public records request?
You can submit one online.
I'm going to submit one in person. I'm submitting it right here.
Scott sends somebody up.
How you doing, sir?
Did you get a haircut? Are you a clown?
Well, do I look like a clown?
No, but you sound like a clown.
Oh, okay.
You're saying
Well-
your haircut?
I did. I did. What's going
All
on?
right, here's my public records
Is that
request.
gonna make him?
I wasn't being belligerent. She was being belligerent. She asked me if I was high. Did you not ask me if I was high?
Okay.
Did you not say that I smelled like marijuana? What did I ask you? If I could set up an appointment to see the lieutenant governor, right?
Yes,
And where was I belligerent at?
you weren't. We told you that you had to go on.
I wasn't, but you lied to an officer and told him that I was being belligerent.
Hold on a minute. You got your question answered, right?
No,
She just told you.
no, she didn't. What'd you tell
If you
me?
want an appointment, you signed the sheet, right?
No, I didn't sign
Well,
the sheet.
I'm going to tell
That's
you
a pub-
already. I
that's a-
dealt with you.
That's a public records
I
request.
dealt with you, and we'll
Can I get
continue
your
to
name?
deal.
Can I get your name?
Joe Dowdell with the Indiana Supreme Court.
And what's
So you got
what's
what
your
you needed?
duty here? What do you do?
Your
Sheriff with
service?
the Indiana Supreme Court. You need to answer his questions.
I don't need to answer his questions. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
So you need to
But
you
want
need
me
to
answer yours, right?
Yes, you need to answer my
That's fine.
questions because I pay you and I did nothing wrong.
No, you don't pay
And
me.
you're here for me. I don't pay you.
No, you don't pay.
So you don't get paid by tax dollars.
Listen, it won't make any difference.
You don't want to go down this road with me. That's right. Listen to me.
love to go down.
You don't want to go down this road with me.
Well, if you
No,
want,
you come here.
Listen to what I'm saying to you.
Now, can I get all your names?
Up. You
Can I
already
get your
been
name?
told. Don't even go any further.
Can I get your name?
Are you done with them?
Yes, we are.
Can I get your
Okay.
name?
They don't need.
Ma'am,
to give
can I
you
get your name?
They don't need to give you name.
So they don't need to, you know, I'm suing you. You know that, right?
It
Ain't that why you
doesn't
press
make- it don't
charges on me?
make no difference
Ain't
to
that why
me.
you press charges
Head
on me?
on out.
Huh? Ain't
Head
that
on out.
Another unlawful trespass?
Head on out.
Yeah, you just don't learn, do you?
Yeah, you're going
a
to learn
moron
when I
that just
take
don't
you to
learn,
jail.
Right? You just don't learn, do you?
Charles,
You-
are we?
Can I get your
we
name?
Good to take him?
Mr. Mills, I'm Detective Corporal Minnealy with Capitol Police, sir. It's a
Yeah,
pleasure
you.
to finally meet.
Yeah, you were on my police report.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you were the one that was standing up against the wall, right?
No, sir.
You wasn't. It looked like you.
I wasn't here for that one.
All right. Well, I got my public records request submitted.
Okay.
So,
there you go. Very
and
good.
Who are you again?
My name is Joe Dowdell with the Indiana Supreme Court.
Okay. Can I get your name,
This
badge
is
number,
Mr.
sir?
Mills.
Oh, Mr. Mills.
Okay.
Badge number?
Can I get your name, badge number?
Yeah. Bob Burke, how are you?
Then there were more tyrants. Their badges, rather than a symbol of order, was a pass to harass this gentleman recording. They wield their power like blunt instruments, leaving bruises on the fabric of freedom. These tyrants, a motley crew of jaded souls, mirroring tyranny, ensure that justice is not only blind, but also deaf and mute.
You been running?
Yeah.
No need to run. I'm not a violent person.
Yeah.
Can I get your name and badge number?
Antoine Johnson.
Antoine Johnson.
Everything good in there?
Yep.
Yeah, everything was good. Just a
You
bunch
wanna
of
go in there?
just a bunch of lying public servants. That's all. Disrespectful, lying, making stories up. Right? Said I was belligerent.
I have
Then said
no
I wasn't.
idea.
She didn't say I was
I have
belligerent.
no idea. Yeah. that's
Okay.
she
Then
said.
what you say? I wasn't belligerent, right?
No, I didn't say.
No, you didn't say that.
Yeah,
She
we'll
said
see
that.
each other in January.
Yeah, we will.
That's good.
I've already got you guys set up.
In the shadow of these towering figures of failure, the town's clerk wallowed in the mire of bureaucratic indifference. Files of complaints and pleas for justice gather dust in the corners of their offices. Untouched and unheeded, their pens, rather than a tool to document grievances, are used to erase the existence from the annals of the town's history.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
you can have whatever you want.
You're going to lose because you're a clown.
Okay. See you later.
Yeah, have a nice day. All you guys don't follow this beaming right here. You guys need to learn to respect the people's rights. We got rights in America.
You're absolutely right.
Let's
Mr. Nelson.
respect them.
Yeah, appreciate you.
I mean, training is expensive. Fucking clowns.
These servants, a triumvirate of incompetence and corruption, turned the government installation into a theater of the absurd. Instead of addressing the cries of the oppressed, became stages for their self-aggrandizement. Resolutions are passed, not for the betterment of the town, but for the fattening of their wallets. In this town, the people's rights are not just ignored, they are actively crushed under the boots of those sworn to protect them. The officials, drunk on power and devoid of conscience, continue their dance of destruction, unaware or uncaring that the ground beneath them of freedom is crumbling. These public servants, undeserving of their paychecks and their positions, unfold like a cautionary tale, a grim reminder of what happens when the guardians of the people become their greatest adversaries, where the bizarre often mirrors reality. This tale of neglect fit right in, a grotesque mosaic of a society unhinged, a stark warning of the disorder that ensues when those in power lose sight of the very people they are meant to serve. This is a testament to the level that befalls a community when its leaders become leeches, sucking the lifeblood from the very heart of a republic. This country, once bustling with life and freedom, now echoes with the hollow footsteps of those who had lost the foundation of freedom to the whims of the corrupt. The town, much like the officials who run it, is a shell of its former self, empty and soulless. The absurd and the unjust might have found in this town the perfect setting for a tale of degradation and decay, a microcosm of a government gone mad, where the lunatics have taken over the asylum and the inmates are left to suffer in silence. The story of this town and its officials are not just a tale of incompetence and corruption, but a stark reminder of the importance of vigilance, transparency, and accountability. In a world all too willing to turn a blind eye to the plight of the many in favor of the greed of the few. You guys, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Wanda Mize's channel. He's doing a good job. It's important that we the people hold government accountable. It seems like almost every city and town is becoming what we just seen: corrupt, incompetent, and greedy. Isn't it weird how cops don't know anything about the people's natural rights? They're being given a gun and a badge and swear an oath to protect the Constitution, but they don't know what the Constitution is. We've asked cops if they know the First Amendment and they don't know it. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Wanda Mize. Let them know that I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Have yourselves a blessed day. Peace.